Hey, my guitar exploring friends, this is Prokopis from String Systems, and I'm here to help you practice effectively, improve every day, and enjoy the process. And you will enjoy your practice more when you learn through making music instead of just memorizing stuff. I remember trying to memorize 7 different scale pattern boxes when I was a kid in order to play the modes. I kept forgetting them, and even when I did play them, I didn't really know what to do with them. It wasn't until I studied modal harmony in college that I realized that I was wasting a lot of time. I'm sure you want to learn how to save time too, so today I'll show you a way to play all 7 modes of a scale without having to memorize a bunch of scale pattern boxes. What I will share with you is a simplified version of something we do in my premium SFS Modes course that has been transformative for many of my students. Let's start with this simple 3-string system. Now pay attention to this next point. Each note of any scale is potentially the root note of a different mode. It's okay if you don't understand exactly what I mean by that yet, because I will show you how this works practically and you'll get it immediately. Let's say I want to improvise using A Aeolian over an A Aeolian progression. I just place the first note of the first string fragment, we call this SF1, on an A on the fretboard. I will do it on string 4, fret 7. But now let's pick another mode. Let's go for a weird one. Let's go for A Phrygian over an A Phrygian progression. Well, I find the Phrygian root note, which happens to be on SF2 on the 3rd finger, and place that over the A on the fretboard. So the same fingering pattern is actually producing a totally different mode. Cool, right? Well, we can actually do the same for every mode. I'll go through all 7 modes really quickly. A Aeolian. A Locrian. A Ionian. A Dorian. A Phrygian. A Lydian. A Mixolydian. With just these 3 string fragments, we can play all 7 modes. But the awesomeness of this approach doesn't end here. You see, we can take this 3-string system and move it everywhere on the guitar fretboard based on the root note of the key, in this case A. So let's pick a mode and play it everywhere. I'll do A Dorian. Now, there is some shifting that needs to happen sometimes, so you can refer to the previous lesson in this mini course to learn about that. But can you see how much I can do? I'm moving freely and I'm getting different ideas and sound qualities as I jump around the fretboard. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. In my SFS Modes premium course, we learn 5 string fragments plus some smart ways to stack them correctly, and that allows you to play the modes literally everywhere they can be played on the fretboard. And if you like to shred, you can also learn to use this system for 3 notes per string fingerings. You end up playing every box pattern that exists, but without memorizing them. You understand how scales really work and learn to build them in real time like we did here. This is so much easier and so much more creative than dry memorization. So if you're watching this inside the free mini course, you can try this for yourself using the Just Play practice track under this video. It's a fun journey through the 7 modes. And if you want to go for the step-by-step premium method, make sure to check out the SFS Modes premium course using the link. If you're watching this on YouTube or social media, then you can use the link below to get this mini course for free so that you can access all the lessons and practice tracks. Stay tuned for the next video where we will dig a little deeper into the string fragment system. Of course, you can use the navigation to watch the next lesson right away. And if you opted for the email guide, you should also get a very useful email tomorrow to help you take the next step. This is Prokopis from String Systems reminding you to enjoy your practice and be effective.